Join me to make some chicken afritada for the very first time. First, I'm going to be marinating my chicken with some black pepper, white pepper, salt, and soy sauce. Yes, just as you see in this video. I'll set this aside and go in with my carrot. Okay, I want to saute this for a few minutes, take it out, and then I go in with my potato. Okay, I want to fry this for some time just so I pre-cooked it a little so the cooking time wouldn't take too long for me. All right. Now that I've done this, I'm going to put in some chopped garlic and onions. Okay, this is going to add some extra flavor to it. I don't want it to burn, so I will not like increase the fire here, the heat. Okay, I'll just let it be on medium to low so everything just cook properly. When you're cooking something for your first time, you just have to be careful with what you do. Okay, now I'm going ahead to put it by marinated chicken, and I'm going to add the extra sauce to it so everything just cook very well in its own juice. Now cover this and then let it simmer for a few minutes. Take the lid off and then flip everything over and let the other side also cook very well in the juice. Now let's cover this and let it simmer. Okay, I'm going to let this simmer for a few minutes. Now I'm going ahead to put in some tomato paste. I'll add some water so it lighten it a little. I'm going to stir this and I'll leave it to simmer also for few minutes. Just like this, and then I add some sugar. All the measurements and the list of ingredients will be in the description. I added my Irish potato and I'm going ahead to add enough water. I want to add enough water so the potato would be able to cook better. Add enough water. Too much water is not going to be bad, okay? You should just let your potato cook well. So that is what I also learned. Added some salt, white pepper, and black pepper for extra spices and also some taste. Yes. Let's see. Let's cover this and leave it to simmer for a few minutes while our potato just cook better. Now that I've done this, I'm going in with some bay leaves, okay? Yes, just two is enough for me. And also, I'm going to add some oyster sauce for some extra flavor and taste, okay? Yes, just like this. Simmer for a few minutes again, and I want to go in with my carrots. Okay, I'm going in with my carrots, so the carrots will also cook very well. Now, I'll go in with my red and green bell peppers. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, you are once again welcome and thank you for always coming back to support this community. And if you want your sauce to be thick, then please, I'm going to cook this for some few minutes and it will be fine. But well, if you want it to be thick, then you have to let it simmer for some time so the sauce becomes thick and you can enjoy this with some plain rice. Okay. Please also get the details in the description and try this for the first time and share your thoughts with me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.